The Finder is a combination of the desktop and the folder system provided to locate and organize files. This video will explore the general Finder preference options and settings. Selecting Preferences will open the Finder Preferences window. You can also open this window by using the key commands displayed in the menu. Hold the Command key while pressing the comma key. The Finder Preferences window is divided into 4 categories: General, Tags, Sidebar, and Advanced. First, let's take a look at the General options. Here you will find 3 option groups. The first option in the General category is Show these items on the desktop. If you click the checkbox on any of the 4 items listed, that item will be visible on your desktop until you choose to remove it. The second group of options, New Finder Windows Show, gives you the choice of which folder or disk you want to access each time a new Finder window opens. By choosing Other, your Finder window will open and allow you to choose a custom location. The third option in the General category, Open Folders and Tabs, instead of New Windows. When this box is checked, you can hold the Command key while double-clicking on any folder within the Finder window, and it will create a new tab. If left unchecked, this action will open the folder in a new Finder window. In the Finder window, hold the Command key while double-clicking on any folder, and it will create a new tab. This action will open the tab bar just below the Finder window's menu bar. The name of the folder you selected will be displayed as the tab's name. To create a second tab, follow the same procedure with another folder. Now, you can easily access both locations and drag and drop files from one tab to another without opening a second Finder window. This completes the options in the General module. If there are other Mac system or application software issues that you would like to see presented, please let us know in the comments.